What's up, YouTube? It's your girl King Cat back with the tea. Today we are doing a quick weave install featuring Bobbi Boss Pella hair. They sent your girl 4 bundles of 18-inch hair and a 5x4 closure, period. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, because baby, what are you doing? I'll give you a minute. Go ahead. No, I'll wait. We all set? Perfect. I am so happy to be doing this video because this is my first collaboration with a major brand. So, clap. Now that we got all the important business out the way, let's get into it. So like I just said, y'all, Bobbi Boss done sent your girl some hair in the mail. I got an HD closure and 4 bundles of 18-inch straight hair. This hair is so freaking soft. I loved working with it. So for starters, we're going to take our Black Control edge glue and some yellow Shine and Jam gel, and we're going to part her down and slick the edges to make sure that none of the flyaways get caught when throughout this whole process. So I like to do my braid down like this just because it gives me very flat results. I like the way it grows out when I check in on my clients. And yeah, I definitely like checking in on my clients just to see how the hair is doing and to just make sure that it's still holding up to a high standard. Yeah, and let me just, if you don't know, let me tell you, braiding with nails is not for the weak. I really had to take my time with it. Next, I'm crocheting the loose ends into the braids of the foundation. Next, I'm going to grab the closure and mark where I plan to place it on her head. Next, grab your lightener and developer. Mine is 30%, and you kind of got to eyeball it because you don't want to use a whole scoop for a 5x4 closure, and you definitely want a thicker consistency than if you were going to do a professional lightening service like a balayage or a platinum card or something like that. Also for this part, don't be afraid to go back and add products if needed. So as you can see, nothing can fall off my tint brush, and that's the perfect consistency that you're going to need. And then you're just going to lightly place it all over the lace wherever you see knots. Don't push it too far in, but also you want to make sure that the product is reaching and able to penetrate through the lace to lighten the knots to give that scalp effect. The name of all the products I use will be listed in the description because I don't want to butcher the name of this brand. So now trace where you're going to place the lace and spray her down with some Got2b freeze spray. This creates a second barrier between her scalp and the stocking cap. Now blow dry for about 10 minutes. This is Protective Shield, and of course I have a tint brush, and I'm going to place the Protective Shield on the tint brush and put it outside of the perimeter of where I'm going to place the lace. And I'm just going to not saturate it heavily, but you definitely want enough that it's a thin layer all over wherever you want to place your track. This step is optional for people who have OCD and pay attention to detail. Now let's place our tracks. This brand of hair, I will definitely say, is superior to any other pack hair that I have worked with. So obviously we need some hair glue, and before we actually glue the tracks down, we need to measure and cut exactly what we need to place it, because unlike sewing, this is a quick weave and you're not going to be able to fold the track down and glue it. So cutting it is always easier. You get a more precise install. Pro tip, when you are laying your tracks, whether it be a quick weave or a sew-in, you are going to lay it in a U shape so that the hair that are on the sides falls to the front of the face and you get a nice coverage. Also too, for the U shape, what I went ahead and did is I measured out the whole track, like all the other tracks, and I placed glue on half of it just so that it doesn't get messy and all the work stays clean, because yeah, glue hair, it can get sticky real fast. Boom, our last track is laid. The more care and time you take throughout your whole process, even throughout your career, depending on why you're watching this video, the better results you're always going to get. So please take your time cutting the wig cap, because you don't want to hurt yourself or hurt the person in your chair, or cut their hair or do something that you're going to regret. Pro tip, cut the seam off of your lace to produce a flat, seamless finish. Now I'm going to double check my work to make sure the fit of the lace is precise. This part is important. Use your edge control of choice to lay those flyaways so that upon removal, none of your edges are taken out in the process. So this is the ball cap method. We're going to go ahead and sew down the wig cap and lay it so that it creates a skin effect underneath the HD lace. Take your Got2b spray and spray it along the hairline, then blow dry it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So y'all, due to some technical difficulties, aka my camera dying, I wasn't able to show me cutting the wig cap and applying the glue, but essentially that's what you're gonna do. Make sure your glue is clear and tacky before you put pressure on your lace, because if not, you will definitely end up with white residue on your hairline. Then take your hot comb, electrical is fine, and make those flyaways fly away. So even though this is a pre-plucked closure, I definitely like to go in and just add my little touch to it, because, you know, that's just what we do. And then comb out all of that hair that you just plucked from the hairline. Take your Got2b sprayed and give your lace a light mist before tying it down with a black strip and an elastic band. Next, we're going to give our lace a middle part, apply some wax with a wax stick, and put some heat to those roots to give it a nice flat finish. When it's time to cut the lace, use a razor or a pair of shears to cut the lace in a jagged or a zigzag motion. Then take your free spray or melting spray to give the lace a light mist and tie the lace down with a black tie and a melting band. So now I'm ready to style. I'm just gonna go ahead and give her some face frame layers and curl her hair all the way up for my favorite look right now, soft and fluffy hair. And now for the grand reveal. Yeah, this look is, like I said, one of my favorite looks. It's classic, it's effortless, it's giving girl next door, it's giving what it's giving, period. So look at those curls, look at that hair. That sheen is crazy. She has those bouncy curls. It's full, and we only use, I think what we use, what, the 2 packs of the hair, 2.5 packs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you really enjoyed it. Love you guys. Bye.